Well, anyone that's watching my other videos, you do know that I got like a Boya mic from AliExpress. This is all from that same order. Some things came in first, so I was able to undo those and unbox those and do orders or reviews on like the Boya mic that I got. Links will be down in the description. So as on my first order, AliExpress, they really push cheap stuff to you for cheap prices. So I've been wanting a dash cam for a little while. So there we go. There's my dash cam. Yeah, 32 gig memory card. Never heard of this brand before. So V10. So nothing too spectacular on it. But anyways, so we're gonna be doing an unboxing of this. How we doing, YouTube? I'm Thomas the Tomology. Gonna do an unboxing of an AliExpress dash cam. So I think I picked this up for around $15. Let's get it unboxed and see what all we get in it. Well, actually, let's go. So it has motion detection, night vision, 170 wide angle or 170 view angle, seamless loop recording. It did come with a little cheap SD card in the box or bag, should I say. It's a V10 A1. I don't know if it's any good. We'll soon find out. So, what else does the box say? That's about it. Same thing on both sides. All right, let's get it open. Important, important, important. If any problems, please feel free to ask our after sales team. So please reset the dash cam and reinsert the SD card. All right. So there's the dash cam right there. Let's see if I can get up in there. Again, it's just 1080. It's nothing too spectacular. So again, I'm not sure everything. Let's go ahead and go through it. So comes with your cigarette lighter charge on here, which if this works any good, what I'll wind up doing is I'll wind up splicing this anyways. And I'll make it a constant power where it comes on with the car. Okay, a little bitty clip for something. A little double-sided tape it looks like. And another double-sided tape with a clip. And what else we get in here? All right, so you also get a manual. So manual's let's see, a couple of different languages in here. But we only, of course, we're gonna worry about English, and English is what, 1, 2, shows to 5 pages. 5 pages for English, which isn't really 5 pages, is only 3 pages. So, but here it is. Get up in there. So I got a couple of different programs: memory, power, fast forward right here on. Get in the light right here. There's your cigarette lighter plug, goes right here. This is for your rear view camera right here, and then your memory card will go right here. So again, it is only 1080p. I didn't want nothing too spectacular. I just wanted to try something. I want to get a couple of these. Like I said, this was like 15 bucks. So I'm gonna get outside. I'm gonna get it all hooked up and see what it looks like. Try to do my best and get some footage of it. Okay. Trying to figure out, this thing slides on here. Didn't want to slide. There it goes. So this, I'm hoping this screen right here is going to be pretty good. I'm hoping that this ain't what's 1080. I'm hoping that the camera is what's 1080. So this is for your windshield. You put it up there, and then you set it where you need to. This will go back here. This needs to face the back. This is for your rear view to go through to view the back of your car, your rear view mirror. It's like having a rear view mirror, should I say, but it's a rear view camera. So if somebody rear-ended you, you'd get that on, should be able to get that on footage. So, all right, let me get outside. Let me get it all hooked up, and we'll go through the footage. Well, obviously, we know that it doesn't do 1080p. That's about a 720p, which is better than 480. You know, most devices that are cheap like this, they'll tell you it's 1080, but yet you only get like 480 out of it. I mean, it's going to serve its purpose. I wish it was a little cleaner, but there again, I think my dash though, if you notice the sun coming in on my dash, you can see all the texture on my dashboard. So that, you know, that played a little bit on it. I'll figure something else about that. I mean, for the price point, it's pretty good. If I find this on Amazon, I'll leave an Amazon link down below. But something that's cheap, you know, under 20 bucks. I mean, to me, it does what it needs to do and it works like it's supposed to. The placement, though, I'm going to want to. It did come with 2 of these stickers. So, and I know why, because if you mess up your placement, you need to remove it. It's a pain in the butt. So, placement, I'm going to move it probably over to the, well, I'm looking out the window to my right a little bit, because this camera here, the rear camera was getting the back of my rear view mirror. So, and of course it moves. It, you know, has a little bit of articulation to it. So I can face down, I can face up, I can do whatever I want. I really wish this cable was longer. Unless I buy an extension cable for it, then I can mount it in the back window. And this little circle that came in the box actually goes, I believe, on for this. No, this is a block off plate for this. Sorry. So there, it gives it a little block off plate. I don't know why, but Manuel didn't tell you too much. Manuel just said you had to get in there. It's very light. I mean, is it worth around the 20 bucks? I mean, probably. I haven't tested too many of them. I'm going to order, you know, a couple more, and I'm going to see, you know, what kind of offerings they have. But again, I can't remember the name of this one here. Again, everything will be linked down below. But for under 20 bucks, it does what it's supposed to do. It's a little grainy, but you know what? It wasn't grainy enough where somebody hit you and it was their fault that you couldn't show that to the cops. You would have something for your backup. Anyways, again, a little bitty under $20 off of AliExpress. I'm Thomas of Tomology. Catch you on the next one.